There are a number of reasons why I think the lawsuit is beneficial, and I won't remember them all right now anyway. They might come up as we talk. I think a couple of them is, first of all, defines what redress is in terms of the injuries, the 22 causes of action, and the remedy, the amount that we were asking, which came to about $28 billion. So it set a standard. The statement of injuries is very important because the legislation doesn't do that, doesn't define injuries, doesn't state what they are. And my own feeling is if you had to state the injuries, legislation would never have passed, because Congress does not like to admit to, doesn't like to put the government in the position of having to admit to error. So Congress just deals with the bottom line, what it's going to cost, how the thing is going to be implemented, how much we're going to pay people, and so forth, various levels of this thing, and the time frame, all that stuff, and the impact on the rest of the government. So the lawsuit was important in setting the standard. It also was important in the sense of, I felt was very important because it put us in an adversarial relationship, Japanese Americans versus the United States. And that's something that was new to us. We'd never been in that situation. We'd always been loyalists, and the whole issue of, you could almost summarize the Japanese experience, up till then anyway, in this one-term loyalty. And here we were taking the United States of America to court. And I think that was a sort of, at last, the appropriate relationship for us to have. And there was nothing nasty about it. We weren't trying to brutalize the United States or abuse the United States. We were just seeking what our rights were under the law. But we also wanted the United States to be held accountable. And I think that was, may have been one of the most important things as far as sort of restoring a proper relationship between ourselves and our government. And it's something that, it's not just Japanese Americans that have to learn that. There are a lot of people that have to learn that. And that's what I think the second half of this century has been about. The restoration of people's rights in relationship to their government, and civil rights, and feminists, and gays, and everything else. Trying to establish a healthier relationship. And I think that's been very positive. But I think it was very important for Japanese Americans to do that too.